Hello children, again welcome back to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So dear children, already we have started the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So in that already I have given the introduction as well as I'm solving the exercise problem also. Okay. So the exercise number is 1.2 of State Karnataka Board and also 5.2 of CBSE Board. Nothing but the questions are same but the chapter are different, so therefore the exercise will be different for the state board as well as the CBSE board. So in my last video I have solved the question number 2. In that question number 2 I have solved the first one, so now I'll solve the second one. So the question is the 11th term of an AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to is. So there will be a 4 option, you need to find which option is right. Now how will you solve? Just like how you have solved the problem of the first one in a second main. Okay, so I think it's there in your screen only. So the problem which we have solved the second main first one is there in your screen. So likewise you need to solve the second one also. So they have given the AP. Let me read the AP first and let me solve it. So they have given the AP. So the AP are, okay, let me write here. So we are solving the second one. So AP they have given. So the AP are, so minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2. So therefore minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2, and you need to find the 11th term. So you need to find the 11th term. So therefore as usual call this as A1, A2, this as A3, nothing but this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Now you need to find, I'll write the data here. So you need to find the A11th term. So therefore A11th term will be equals to question mark. So therefore here n will become 11 because you are about to find the 11th term. So therefore n will be equals to 11. Now here A is nothing but A1 is nothing but the first term. The first term is minus 3. Next you need to find the common difference because the formula to find the A11th term will be, so as usual the nth term formula you need to use. So therefore A plus n minus 1 into D. Children, from the next class I'll not write like this. So for example you need to find the 11th term means if you have applied 11, the value of n in the place of n, nothing but the 11 in the place of n. So therefore you will get the equation as or formula as A plus, so 11 minus 1 into D. So therefore A11 equals A plus 10D, correct? So 11 minus 1 is 10 into D is 10D. So therefore the A11th formula will be A plus 10D. For example, I'll write another one. If suppose if they have asked the formula to find, or if they have asked to find the fifth term, so therefore A plus n minus 1 into D, here n value is how much? 5. So therefore the formula will become A5 equals A plus 5 minus 1 into D. So therefore A fifth term formula will be A plus 4D, correct? So therefore likewise, so from next onwards I'll write directly. If suppose if they have asked the formula A20th, so A20th formula will be A plus 19D, clear? Because A plus n minus 1 into D, 20 minus 1 is 19. So like this you need to write on. So as I said, so from next onwards I'll write the formula like this. Okay, now here you need to find the A11th term. So that means the formula will be A plus 10D. Here A, you got the value of A, nothing but minus 3. Now here D, you need to find the common difference. So common difference if you got means if you have applied the values here, you will get the A11th term. So common difference formula will be A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2, correct? So A2 will be minus 1 by 2 minus A1 will be minus of minus 3. So therefore I'll write in a bracket A3. A3, the third term will be 2 minus A2 will be, so minus half. So therefore I'll write in a bracket. Okay. Okay, now here, so first simplify or first multiple the symbols. Half minus into minus will be plus 3 equals to 2. Minus into minus will become plus half, correct? Now nothing is there means 1 is there. Here also in the denominator 1 will be there. So take the LCM. So LCM will be 2. 2 1s are 1 1s are minus 1 plus 1 2s are 3 2s are 6 equals to here also 2 is the LCM. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So therefore here, so 6 minus 1 will be minus into plus is minus, 6 minus 1 will be 5 by 2 because sign of a biggest number. So here also 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Here 5 by 2. Clear? Okay. Now what is the meaning of this? Simple. Already I had told you people, if the common difference is same, then the given terms are AP terms. Okay. Now you got the common difference. Just apply the common difference in the place of D. You will get the A11th term. So therefore A11th term will be equals to A plus 10D is the formula, right? So A11th term will be equals to A. A means it's minus 3 plus 10 into D is 5 by 2. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2 5s are. So therefore A11th term will be equals to minus 3 plus, now multiple 5 5s are, 5 5s are 25. So therefore A11th term will be equals to 25 minus 3 is, it's plus 22. Why it's plus 22? Because sign of a biggest number, the biggest number is 25, sign is plus, so therefore plus 22. Now this is the answer and this is how we need to solve it. Now just observe, plus 22 is in which option? So therefore the answer is plus 22. So plus 22 means, so the B option is right. So therefore you need to mark the B option as your right answer. Okay children, now this is how we need to solve it. So by using the nth term formula, and as I said, if suppose, again I will say, if suppose if they have asked the formula, sorry, if they have asked to find the 15th term, the formula will be A plus 14D. Clear children? Because 15 minus 1 is, so 14 into D is 14D. So like this you can write. Okay, so thank you. I'll meet you in the next video.